Alright, the golf cart broke the straps trying to pull the lawnmower out. We got the big boy here. Nah. Deleted. Coming in with the boxes in the back and the 50-gallon, 100-gallon diesel tank. Come on now. Weather guard. Got him. Let's see how it does. Ooh, listen to that bad boy. Oof. 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 Something. He hit something, but he's good. Got that bitch. Oh yeah. Hopefully it does not get stuck trying to pull this mower out. Yeah, there we go. That plow mount I've hit on so many goddamn different things. What up, Marshall? What up, Marshall? Alright, this is what we're dealing with. The new guys, well, the guys that worked for me for 4 years, but the first time they ever drive a lawnmower right next to my house, get it stuck in my field. Damn it. No one knows, Marshall was found in a trailer park where Marshall Mathers' movie was made in 8 Mile. Oh, that died. GoPro's dead. You got plenty of room, keep going. About 10 feet. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. Alright, right there. That's good. Good. It's a little soft right there. Damn, that thing sounds fucking wicked, man. That thing sounds sweet, dude. Sounds like a 6.0 a little bit, you know, like.
Just at times, kind of does. Especially when turbo's whistling.
That whine.
That cold air intake sound earlier, you can hear his turbo.
Hell yeah. I'm probably about to cut the rest of this grass since they messed it up. Damn, they slid into there too.
Oh, yeah, that thing's very.
Oh. Idiot. Alright, well, go do what you gotta do. I'm gonna get this out of here. Oh man, that's deep. It's up to the thing. I hope it don't get stuck. Probably will, knowing my luck. Make sure he doesn't get stuck. Mama girl, what are you doing? Mama! Oh yeah, she's ripping through that shit, no problem. Love that truck. Oh, I love that truck. Come on, blow the smoke a little bit, buddy. We got tail light out. Oh yeah. Yeah, that thing is badass. We'll get a better video of it, but